Hey guys, this is Zaman from PowerPoint School, and today we have this free animated 3-step infographic template including both light and dark versions. With this template, we have included two different types of animations that make it more engaging and interactive. As you already know, all our templates are easily editable in any version of PowerPoint, and even it perfectly works with Google Slides as well. So try this animated infographic step template in your next presentation, or even you can convert this animated template into explainer videos. Visit our website powerpointschool.com or follow the link in the description of this video to download this free animated PowerPoint 3-step infographic template. You can support our work in Patreon or buy me a coffee and get access to our more amazing premium templates as well. So that's all for today. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video with another PowerPoint template. Thanks for watching.